Number 8. We need calculator. We so need a calculator. 15 squared plus 24 squared and 32 squared. 15 squared is 225. 24 squared is what, Julia? 24 squared? 576? Really? And 32 squared? 1024. Cool beans. So now, 225 and 576. $801? Somebody check my arithmetic. 801 is less than 1024. That makes this an obtuse triangle, right? Because if the longest side squared is less than the sum of the other two squares, it's acute. So this has to be obtuse.
Yeah. Because it's greater than.
Square root of 5, square root of 2, and square root of 3. Can these form a triangle? These can form, I think, a right triangle. What's the square root of 5? Now, square root of 5 is a little bigger than 2. Square root of 2 is 1.4, roughly. Square root of 3 is 1.7, roughly. So I think we can make a triangle here. Let's see. If I say the square root of 2 squared plus the square root of 3 squared, square root of 5 squared, square root of 2 squared is 2, square root of 3 squared is 3, square root of 5 squared is 5. This is true, so this forms a right triangle. I'm sort of going at this backwards. I am assuming that it will make a triangle, and then I'm testing to see what kind I will get. (8, 12, and 14). 8 plus 12 is bigger than 14. 12 plus 14 is bigger than 8. 8 plus 14 is bigger than 12. Yes, we have a triangle. What kind do we have? 8 squared, 12 squared, 14 squared, 64, 144. 14 squared is 186? 96. I didn't think that 186 sounded right. 64 and 144 is 208. 208 is bigger than 196. 196 is smaller than 208. Therefore, this is an acute triangle. Okay, these were ones that folks were interested in. I think I can do these quickly in the amount of time we have. Okay, we have the sine of G. Sine is always opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine of G would be adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. This is 3 over 4. This is 48 over 60, 4 over 5. 36 over 60 would be 3 over 5. The sine of f, interestingly, would be the cosine of g, right? Because the opposite of f is the adjacent to g, so the sine of f is the cosine of g, 4 over 5, 48 over 60. Cosine of f is the sine of g, which is going to be 3 over 5. The tangent of f is opposite over adjacent. That's going to be different. There we go.